My battery keeps saying 100%, 0 or 1%, 100%. Okay, make up your mind. Here are the wheels. I swapped out one. I have it hiding. I won't show where. It's my secret spot. I got 4 wheels. And let's see, did some of them come off? Yeah, okay. A couple of them came off of that one and a couple off of that one. That's a early 80s, I think early 80s. I don't think that was 70s. Got some wheels because mine are crusty. And I'll show you guys what else we got. I knew it. My GoPro was lying to me. It was saying, you know, 100% battery, 1%, back and forth. And then when I turned the camera on last time, it said 100%, but I was a little doubtful. Okay, we're gonna recap what we got. So remember, this had wheels on it. Well, I took 2 of the wheels from this car. I have one hidden. It's me a backup. I'll come back to that one if I need it. We got CVs for the rear because you can't find these. Very hard to find. You can't just Google search them and find them. You have to really. I've tried my best trying to find them, and this is my plan B option. We'll go with the one off the Junkyard, Brat. And then I got 2 stub shafts just in case. I took the bearings too. Both of the bearings have a different style. The spacer shaft thing, one has like a what do you call it, like a neck on it, and that one, I don't know, it's just a little different. So we'll see what happens. So there's the back of the car, the front. I might come back. I probably will come back for that CV later. Here's the back of the car, what I've taken off, how I've propped it up using the wheel. And you gotta get creative out here because you can't bring everything. You know, I'm not trying to make trips back and forth, so my little floor jack is what we had. Put that thing in there. I think that's a transmission mount. You got this one off. Let's come over and look at all the vegetation. It's very dangerous. You never know. There's probably poison ivy everywhere. But there's the front of the car, and then here is the back. Putting on a wheel there. The frame of the car, or the body, the floor pan is coming up. The door won't close anymore. So I put that there to keep it shut. And then here's this car, which I have future plans for that bumper. Took that wheel and took that wheel. And I might come back. I say I might come back. I'm always gonna come back. This place is so cool. This is my sanctuary. I told Leon that. This is my sanctuary. But there's some good parts in there. That dust cover, or dust shield for the disc brake. I like that. It's 109, good. That brake, actually, is that the same style? Let me see. That is the same style brake, so I might come back for that one as well. That's what we got going on. I'm gonna go see if Leon can give me a lift in the Leon mobile, the Junkyard van, because I don't want to haul this back. I'll haul my tools back. I'll probably throw the shafts in there too. If I can stack the wheels, we'll see. I mean, I'm not Mr. Iron Man, but yeah, I could get some exercise in. Let's see what happens. Beautiful day in the yard. Had some close storms come by. Made some ruckus, but it didn't slow me down, baby. It didn't slow me down, because we need these parts. Because we're going to Katie's. We're going to Katie's, the car show. We're bringing the Brat. And it's always a cool time here at Leon's. Even Gravedigger has been here. Even Gravedigger has been to Leon's. Now Leon told me it's not the original Gravedigger, but he got, I guess, the second Gravedigger out of here. I'll have to ask again. But and also John Riggins came here and got parts. And John, when he came